Okay, so this one is number 40. It says expand the following using the Pascal's triangle and the binomial theorem. So I'm only going to do letter A because it's kind of time consuming. Well, first, I'm going to do my own Pascal's triangle. Remember we did it on my wall. We actually made the Pascal's triangle. So we have one on the outside. I mean one here. And we do one and one. And so remember what we do. We just add these. We get 2. And then we add our ones on the outside. Okay? And then we add everything on top. We get 3 here. We add these. We get 3 here. Then we put our ones on the outside. So now we add again. 3 plus 1 is 4. 3 plus 3 is 6. 3 plus 1 is 4. Put our ones on the outside. Okay, so this is my 0 row. This is my first row. This is my second row. This is my third row. And this is my fourth row. These are what we call our coefficients. So that's as far as I'm going to go for right now. But I will give you a copy of the Pascal's triangle. Unless you just want to make it or something. Okay, so the first thing we got to do, we got to write out our 3x and our 4. So remember, the first number, which is the 3x, the first term, it gets all of them. Okay? And then the second term, the 4, he gets none of them. So he's going to actually, the 4 is actually going to increase until he gets all of it. And the 3x is going to decrease until they don't have any. So we keep going. So 3x, it had 2, now it has 1. The 4 had 0, now he has 1. 3x had 1, now he has 0 because he's going down by 1. The 4 had 1, but he's going up by 1, so he has 2. So once they switch spots with the numbering, basically you're done. Or when this one goes all the way down to 0, this one goes all the way to what it needs to go to. Now, the 2 also tells me to go to row 2 and take all the coefficients. So here's my row 2, and here are my coefficients. So I'm going to take my coefficients, 1, 2, and 1, because that's where I got it from row 2. And I'm going to multiply all this together. And so anything to the 0 power just becomes 1. So we know we can mark those out. That was an easy way. We just kind of go ahead and mark that out. It doesn't become 0, but it becomes 1. So you don't have to put that in your calculator. So now we're ready just to put things in our calculator. So this is the part a lot of people are having trouble at. You're not going to put that x into your calculator. So you really don't have to put the 1, but I'm going to put it just to show you. 1 parentheses 3. You put everything but the letter in your calculator. And we get 9. So that becomes 9. And then I know x to the second. Because the x has to come back and play. But you can't put in your calculator. Okay? So now let's put everything else in our calculator. So we got 2 parentheses 3. And I'm just putting to the 1 so you can see it. Press the arrow key to come back down. Parentheses 4 to the 1. And that's going to give us 24. That equals 24. And then our x to the what? 1. And you may not see that, but I'm just going to put it. Okay, the next one I'm going to put in my calculator. I put everything except for what I marked out or any letters. 1 parentheses 4 to the second. And I get 16. Okay, so all we're going to do now is rewrite it the way it is with plus signs. So we got 9x squared plus 24x plus 16. And that's our final answer. So try the next ones. And if you need the Pascal triangle, I will have one ready for you.